So you'd have an inventory, obviously, with the host name in. There's 100 ways you could do that. And you then would create a simple playbook with the role imported and with a certain number of variables set. Now, there's one thing that I've glossed over in all of this setup. And again, if we get as far as a demo, we can have a look at this. But you'll notice here, most of this is familiar. So you're going to have an appliance URL. We know where the host factory token came from. We know about the host name of this machine. We talked about that previously and setting that in a valid manner. This is where I referenced the SSL or the TLS CA cert that I downloaded earlier. That will be pulled in. It actually gets stored in /etc by the role, so you don't need to put it anywhere special. You just need to put it somewhere temporary for it to pick it up. And then you can turn off certificate validation, which I've left it on because I was integrated with Let's Encrypt, so my logic was that should work. I can get a properly resolvable CA certificate. Again, you'll notice the language is a little bit tentative around that. We'll come back to that. If you're just playing with this in a lab or a dev environment, you can obviously turn off cert validation, which makes your life a lot easier, particularly if you haven't bothered to set up DNS. You can actually just do all this by IP addresses if